Back with a bang, lock round camp, two snacks, that's facts. Opsy, us and the do not.
H1, I'm back. Back with a bang. Lock round camp, two shank, that's facts. Opsy, us and the do not dash in the trap. I'm do not bando, mass free up and I pack them man just slang. Feel slang that grub with the ends, of course got love for the cats. 814 when I grip that ram 10 toes, man.
Alright, what is good, XL editors? Today we're going to be showing you all the effects I just done in that little preview for this drill song called Intent to Drill. And I just wanted to add a little bit more effects to it just to play around. And the effects I added was masking, so I masked in a few things like phaser objects, stuff like that. I also added like a paint effect around some characters and around the screen. Also this like better and more evolved beat drop effect. In the last one I did like a slight one. It was very minimal, but this one's way better than the last dude one. So if you have seen the last dude one and you want to, you know, freshen up a bit, you can learn that here too. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing in today's XL editing, and we're going to be learning how to edit like a music video with paint bucket effects, all this other stuff. And yeah, it's going to be a UK drill, because why not? I live in the UK, come on. And yeah, let's get straight into this. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I upload a lot. And if you guys want anything specific for me to cover, put it down in the description, I'll look into it. Right, I'm going to show you the paint bucket effect first, so let's do that. So obviously get your clip, you want to put a paint bucket over. I'm going to get a fresh one. So we're going to use from here is going to be the start of our thing. And that's probably how long I want to paint over them. So first thing you guys want to do is go to your effects, search in paint bucket. It's very simple to do. Put the paint bucket over it. Now it will look like this when you start, but obviously you need to might scale this up. Mine's scaled now. It should look like this. Then you want to find your tolerance and your fill point center. Click on fill point center, and then you want to hover it over the guy you're trying to, you know, put some lines around or whatever. You can either fill the guy, or you can like how would I describe this? Like put stroke around him. So I'll show you what a stroke looks like. Looks like that. Then what you want to do is you can change obviously the width and stuff if you want it to be really fat. I'm going to keep mine about 2.5. I think that's good enough. 3.1. I think that's a nice little thing. Start the tolerance off at 0. Go forward a few frames. Then you want to bring it up so it just covers the guy. So 15 is pretty good. Let's use the fill point selector again so we can see what it covers. We could do the police guy, because you see here it's trying to blend it with the background, and we don't want that. So what we could do is do like anything in the background, for example, do the sky over here. But you know, sometimes it looks better when it's bad. It's like this. Right, so it goes off of him, so easy to fix. Find the fill point center, find it where it goes off of him, put a keyframe in right there, and then just put it back on top of the guy. And then boom. That's how you do that effect. Very easy. But I might change the color of it, to be honest. Let's change it to like a white. See what white looks like. Right, now to do the like drop-in effect, or the beat drop, all you want to do is cut up a very small part of your clip. So we'll do it here, for example. Obviously you want to put this on the actual beats. Let's scale this back up to the size. Then find transform. Put transform over the clip. And you want to put scale on. Keep that 100. Go forward very slightly. So about, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames. Zoom in. It's about 123, then 2 frames out and set that back. And then it should do this. But to make it even better, what you can do is put composition shutter angle on, and then put that to 360, and it'll give it that blur. And obviously you can play around with this like that. It's very easy to do. It's much better than the other a way to do things with the adjustment layers and all that. Right, and for the last one, to cut out and to fade in, obviously you want to, let's find a good place to do it. So you want to find a cut. There's a cut there. Could we do something here? No, because there's too many stuff going on. It has to be something quite big. We could do it there. So find where it cuts, crop it. Then what you want to do is take a picture of the screen once you've got it scaled up nicely. So put this 150. This is just, you won't have this problem with scaling, only I will. It's because it's a downloaded video, so it has to find, or it doesn't know what its size is. Then you want to hop onto your clip, go forward a few frames, wait till the last frame, take a picture of it, so click on the picture icon and then import it to the project, put it over the top, keep this clip underneath it though, don't want to move that, and simply all you want to do is go click on the picture, opacity, inverted, and then you want to draw around whoever you're trying to cut out. Okay, so now I've cut out my clip. It should look like this. And then to make it extra smooth, you can like drag it out the side and stuff like that. So for example, let's do this. Position it, go forward a few frames, keyframe this, and let's move it to the left as he comes on the screen again. Might look a bit nicer. It's a bit too quick because we want it to stay there a bit longer. Very simple stuff like that. And obviously, when you're phasing through like it is here, all you do is zoom in. Very simple. So you have it over the clip still, and then you zoom in on it. Very nice stuff. And that's the effects. That's all it is. Nothing mad. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you guys found this useful, you know, subscribe, and let's get it.
Back with a bang, lock round camping, chat that fact. Opsy, us and the do not.
H1, I'm back. Back with a bang. Lock round camp, 2 shank, that's facts. Opsy, us and the do not dash in the trap. I'm do not bando, mass free up and I pack them man just slang. Till slang that grub with the ends, of course got love for the cats. 814 when I grip that ram 10 toes, man.